how to make money with print on demand. Hello guys, welcome back to Softwares Made Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Printify as a beginner and how you can make money with print on demand products. So without any delay, let's get to the video. So first of all, let me tell you what are print on demand products. Print on demand products are basically the things that can have some kind of customization on them, like t-shirts, hoodies, sweats, sweatpants, sweatshirts, mugs, mobile covers and stuff like that, which can have a printable thing on them, and it can be customized, and it can be anything that you want it to be, a picture, a text, or something like that. So that is basically print on demand products that can be printed on demand by the customer. In making money with print on demand products is about making and designing these kind of products using some kind of website or some kind of software, and then you able to sell them online. So Printify is one such platform where you can basically design your products and you can also sell them online. So I'm going to show you how you can do that while being a beginner. So first of all, as you can see, I have printify.com opened up on my web browser, and this is the page that you will be logged on to. After that, if you have an account, it will ask you to basically log in. As you can see here, it's asking me welcome back, and it's asking me to log in. But in any case, you don't have an account, you are a newcomer and you want to make a new account, you can just come here and click on this option which says sign in, and click complete all the process by providing email, providing password. If phone number is necessary, you can provide a phone number and everything. And after basically your account is activated, you can just come and access your account through logging in again or just signing in very easily. So I'm going to basically continue with Google right now because Google is more accessible. You can also choose that option while signing in, because that way your account will automatically be synced with Google, and you won't have to go with the extra hassle of adding your email or your password or anything again, and you can just come on and continue with the Google and you'll be good to go. So now, as you can see here you can add your own customized products, you can design them, and you can also have them ordered, or you can also make your own store and sell it online. So I'm just going on to my products right now, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own new product. Okay guys, so this is the basic sidebar, this is the basic dashboard of your own Printify. As you can see, this option here, my account, here you have to enter your business name, your contact details, your Gmail, your phone, your address and everything, so that you will have your own store created. And then you have option of my files. It has all the files that you have uploaded or you want to upload or something like that, so you can just find them right here. Then you have your payments, your taxes, and you have an option of my stores. So in my stores, you can basically connect the store of yours with any other store that you have. As you can see here, if I click on this button connect, I will be able to basically connect my store, but I'm just going to click on this button here and add new. So this is the option that I have. I can connect and add any of this store if you have. This is Shopify, Etsy, Walmart, Squarespace, eBay, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. So you can basically connect any of this store with your Printify. Then there is an option for having settings. You can just change the settings if you want to, and these are the connections. So now what I need you to do is I'm basically going to show you some of their Printify premium package and what you can get for premium, which is not available for free. So let me show you guys what is available on their premium packages and which is not available on the free version, because right now we are using the free version, and there are some things that are only available on the pro version, and that is a premium version. So monthly you have to pay $29 per month. From this you will have 10 stores per account and unlimited product designs, and you will also have up to 20% discount on all products. If you have an yearly plan, you basically have to pay $24.99 per month, and it is billed annually. It also has 10 stores per account, and it's the same all the features, but here you can save 14% by paying yearly if rather than paying monthly, which is $29, and yearly it costs you around $24.99, which is around $25 per month. So I'm just going back on Printify and I'm going to show you the catalog. So catalog is basically the types and of the products that they have. They have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, home and living. So basically you can customize any of these product that is available. So I'm just going to go into as simple as something which is like tank tops, or from bottoms or long sleeves or bags, or like I'm just just going to basically create a man's t-shirt from this catalog. You can create anything that you want. I'm just going to go with this one. So now when you come here, you're basically get all the kind of white t-shirts which are available. There are basically different brands, and there are basically different kind of fabric that they're being sold into, and this is their specification. This is unisex heavy cotton tee, and it is by Gildan, and it has 5,000 sales. It is basically $7.12, and it has 8 sizes, 70 colors, and 27 print providers. You can basically come here and choose a specific size if you want to, and you can come here and add a printing area. As you can see, all over print, neck label inner, neck label outer, front side, back side, etc. Then you can have fulfillment locations, which location you want it to be fulfilled on, to be shipped on. And then you have print type, direct to film, direct to garment, and dye sublimation. So you can basically add a print type, and then there are brands. So you can basically apply these filters to customize your search, because right now I have a lot of search answers to my query that I just posted. So basically I'm just going to go with this t-shirt right here. I'm going to basically customize it and show to you guys how it's done. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is the unisex heavy cotton tee basic t-shirt. Then you can just come here and click on all these images and see how it looks from each of the side. If you add your design, you can add your design right here. You can add your design in the back, and you can just do whatever you want to do. And now after completely being satisfied with what design and what kind of product that you have choose, this is basically the colors that are available, and you can just click on start designing to any one of the print provider. And I'm just going to go with the first one, and I'm going to say start designing. Okay, so now for the designing purpose, here you can see your shirt, and here is the area that is basically going to be printed on. You can also print on the back side. You can just click on the back side, the back side will appear up, and you can just have anything printed on it as well. I'm just going to basically go on the front side again, and I'm going to basically, there are two options to add your designs. You can add from my device. You can add any kind of picture you want to upload here, and you can just click on my device and go on to pictures and add in any kind of picture that you want to add on your t-shirt, and it will be printed in a really good manner. So I'm just going to go into the pictures and have a picture uploaded so that I can show you guys how can it be adjusted and how it really looks like. Okay, so here you can see I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to add it on the t-shirt. It is a very simple kind of picture. It's just an animated picture of cherries, and as you can see, this is my picture. I'm going to enlarge it a little bit to make it in the center, and this is how it looks like. It's a little bit blur because its width and height are a bit smaller, and when I expand it, the pixels start to blur out. But you can add something with a high resolution, and it will look really good. And you can just go with this one and save the product, or you can add more customization to it. If you want to add more things, you can just click on this. So if you want to create a pattern, basically you can create a pattern. This is, as you can see, I created a pattern with my whole design because it was a very small design, so I could create a pattern. So I'm just I went with it and I created a pattern, and this is how it looks like. This is the pattern is basically. So I'm just going to adjust it into the center and have the whole pattern printed on the shirt. So now if you want to basically add more kind of customization to it, just go down and have the pattern created in the forms of a grid. This is a form of grid. If you want it to be in a brick horizontal, you can. If brick vertical, this is how it will look like. So the horizontal spacing you can increase, and in vertical spacing you can also increase or decrease according to your own liking. So this is how your whole design would look like. Have your angle and horizontal offset, etc. So this is your design. You can just add a simple text as well by clicking on the add design and add text. If you go down and add design, you can add more design to your shirt. If you want to add a custom text, you can just click on this one and enter a text layer, which can be anything. Okay, so you can add any kind of text. I'm going to add, say, YOLO, because maybe it will go with the fact that these cherries and everything would look a little bit aligned. I'm going to basically drag it and bring it to the center. Now you can add rotate, position, etc. You can add change your font, and you can also change the size of your font and everything, and you can have your thing created like this. Just going to save my product because this is how I want it to look like, and I'm just going to get done with the whole product, and then I'm just going to save it, and it's being saved right now. Okay, so basically this is the unisex heavy cotton tee. These are the mock-ups. These are title image and mock-up views. This is the front, this is back, this is the person one wearing, person two, person three, and as you can see, this is the whole t-shirt design will look like. So you can just come here and you can change the description if you want to, and add everything according to your own liking. You can select all the sizes, you can add the profit if you want to. You can basically, the profit margin is 40%. If you want to change anything, you can just come on to and change it, and then you'll be able to save it as a draft, and when you publish your own store, you'll be able to publish it. So this is how everything works, and this is how you can make money on Printify, which is really good. You can add your own products, you can make your own store, and you can make a lot of money out of selling these customizable products, because people are into a lot buying these products these days, because these are what in fashion, and this is what goes along the way. So you can add more creative products and you can have people buy it because people really like it. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, keep sharing, and until the next video, take care. Bye bye.